Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to remove the driver's side airbag, the steering wheel airbag on Ford Fiesta, ST or regular Fiesta as well. But don't forget to check out our store. It's in the description below. Our main channel as well, which is growing crazy fast. So we got that Fiesta here, and we'll need to remove the driver's side airbag because we'll be doing a cork spring replacement soon. Okay, and what you need to do, you need to open the hood first and you need to disconnect the battery before you do that. And you need to disconnect it at least 30 minutes before you do the job. So that way the airbag module will have enough time to discharge. Okay, 10mm socket, and you can undo the positive terminal right there. Okay, make sure it's not touching and just have it right there. Okay, that's good. Okay, we have it, it's stuck there now. Alright guys, so if you get a hex key, long one, like that, now in order to remove the airbag, there is, so far I don't think there is screws or anything. Those are for the steering controls, don't remove those. So if you go in this hole, in an angle, okay, you find it, there is a spring actually, okay, right there. And oh, you can push it in and you can see the airbag moved a little bit already. So we need to find, there is a few of those. We'll show you where exactly they are. Stay with us, the same thing on this side now. Okay, oh, one more. And then we have a last one, which is on the very bottom, okay, right here. And you need to do the same thing, but you need to find the spring. Okay, if you don't find the spring, it's not going to work. And it's going to take some time, because this one is not so easy to access as the other ones. I don't know why. We'll see what the deal is in a second. Okay, so we're actually using a little bitty screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver for here, and it's easier to press on this side. Okay, and airbag is out. You can see it came out. All we have is here the connectors now, which you just squish in and pull up on this model. Okay, squish right here, both of these, and always pull straight up, never twist, because you're going to mess it up if you twist. Okay, right there. Now we have this wire right here that needs to come out, and this is stuck pretty good here. Okay, let's see how it's going to come out now. Okay, you press right here and you just pull it out. Okay guys, and this is the airbag, driver's side airbag. That's how you remove it if you need to replace. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.